up? I am Sanjali and welcome to Sanju's Pod. So in this video, we will be discussing about how we can improve our fluency in English. In this video, I'll be discussing with you all my tested methods. That is methods that I use to improve my fluency in English. And I am pretty sure that these methods will help you also if you follow these methods seriously. So let's get started. Whenever we start learning any new thing, be it swimming, be it driving or any other thing, then initially it seems to be very difficult to us. Even when we start reading or studying any new chapter of our syllabus, be it maths or any other subject, then it also seems to be difficult to us. But gradually, when we are done with that, then it appears to be comparatively much more easier. Okay, so the similar case happens with your fluency in English also. What I want to say is that whenever we are trying to learn any new thing, then we have to cautiously learn things. We have to cautiously put our efforts in learning the new thing. Without cautiously putting our efforts in whatever thing that we want to learn or improve, it won't improve. So similar is the case with our fluency in English. We all know that practice makes a man perfect. We are listening this since our childhood. But how many of us actually apply this? Very few. What I want to tell you is that more you speak English, more your fluency in English will improve. And it is very obvious. I mean that I have not told you anything new in this. We all know this, right? But what is important is that how we can practice speaking more and more English. The question here is this. I know that we all are surrounded by non-English speakers. That is the people around us that speak in Hindi or any other regional language. So, we are lacking that involvement of English speakers around us. Then in such environment, how we can practice speaking more and more English? So, the answer of this question is find your best partner in speaking English within yourself. When you have no one around you with whom you can speak in English, then you can always speak in English with yourself. Yeah, I know that we all require that environment of speaking English while we are trying to improve our English. But as we are lacking that environment, so we don't have any control over that environment. We can't change that environment. But yeah, we can improve our certain habits. We can change ourselves. Okay, so we have control over ourselves. We don't have any control over the environment. We can't change the people around us. But yeah, we can improve our certain habits. So this is something like that only. So we have to do one thing, that is we have to talk to ourselves in English. I know that most of us are habitual of talking to ourselves throughout the day. So whenever we are going to talk to ourselves, be anything, if we are planning our day or if we are thinking anything, then we have to simply do this thing in English. Right? I know that initially, at the beginning, it will be very difficult for you. You will not be comfortable in speaking English to yourself. But gradually, it will become your habit and it will surely help you to improve your fluency in English. And when your fluency will improve, you yourself will not become aware of that. It's the fact. It's true. It's my tested method. But yeah, at the beginning, initially, you will not be comfortable with it. But you have to do this thing cautiously. You have to cautiously talk to yourself in English. Whatever you're going to talk with yourself throughout the day, you have to do it in English. Okay, so the funda here is very clear that we all are lacking that environment of English speakers around us. If we have that environment of English speakers around us, then our English will improve. Our fluency in English, our speaking skills will improve effortlessly. Right? Because whenever we go outside, whenever we talk to the people, we have to do that thing in English. So our English will improve automatically. But here we are lacking that environment. So we have to create that environment for ourselves. And how we can create that environment? We can create that environment by simply talking to ourselves. By doing this thing, we are exposing ourselves more and more to English. Right? By this thing, we are daily practicing to speak English. Right? We are daily practicing speaking English. So it will surely help you to improve your fluency. It will surely help you to improve your speaking skills in English. So in this manner, you will be able to improve your fluency in English by simply improving your habit of talking to yourself in English. Initially, you will not be comfortable, but gradually you will become comfortable with this thing and your fluency in English will improve automatically. So from now, start conversating with yourself. That is, whatever conversation you are going to do with yourself, you have to make sure that you do it in English. And this is your first step, or I can say that this is minimum something that you can do if you want to improve your fluency in English. So this was all about. I really wish this method help you out in improving your fluency in English. We'll be meeting in next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye.